Yo, what's up, Mooly Bunch? Welcome back to the other. Too much energy. Mooly Bunch, guys. Welcome back, man. Tinalanga titisi, Dimankala ku no ku USA koma, Dimachogera ku Botswana. Well, it's been 4 months exactly since this album is out, and a lot of people have said I should react to the whole album. Let's just face it, I am lazy. Anyway, I haven't been around town, so couldn't have done it. Probably shouldn't have promised people that I'll do it, but I think I should do it. Do it in the form of audio so that I don't get distracted by videos, because, you know, I love videos. I love people who make videos. Big up to everybody out there in Zambia who's making videos. Chile One's song, Remember Me, has been requested so many times by a few people, so yeah. And I think people say I'm gonna cry on this one. I hope we don't get to that, because you don't want to see me cry. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Then hit that like button. It is for the algorithm. If you don't know who Chile One is, please.
Ya mama story apanga pesa nsingole pitamu. Ngabale kushimikira fyo. Umana kwati fi mali yashu.
He's saying some stuff that I don't understand there. You know, I can speak a little bit of Chichewa, but, you know, I'm still at infancy.
She said to me, I've never seen a man with such a big vision, I swear.
Hey.
You the coaches are, at the same time you the go-getter.
You chase and you go get it, man. I have never seen somebody like that.
She said, keep doing what you're doing and I'm in love. Can I be better than your vision is enough?
He said something about prayer and your vision is enough. I'm praying for you, your vision is enough. I don't know.
Wangu tachelo kateka pona menshi ya kusamba pa kulala tiseli michineko. Anjebele, ibelieve in kolokuta ya wanabele. Maybe just maybe tomorrow cannot be sunny for me, for you it can be. She said to me, remember that I was there for you. I wanted you to win, despite everything. Remember me, that I was there for you. I wanted you to win, despite everything.
Oof, yeah, that's a big. I see why people say the message, man. He made it, right? Like, there are people that believed in him before we knew him. Before I saw him, there were people that were like, you know what, you're gonna make it, and when you do, remember me.
Who's gonna tell me that I'm proud of you? Who's gonna tell me that I'm proud of you?
Okay. Talking about parents.
Yeah, I said, Daddy, kanakula ndefwayo kuba pilot. He said, Sani, nali kumona tetu bombe mumigodi. Hey, tu izile tewa tetenchi to yapwa, mayo mwene kwa tichapwa. Sewa na takwali na bakutwavwa. Tata ni tata na panafika kapitala no mupampa mina kwete panine Daddy.
I like that he's rapping on this, man. He's like, okay, I wish I can understand what he is saying here, because he's saying things so fast, you know?
Tu izile tewa tetenchi to yapwa, mayo mwene kwa tichapwa. Sewa na takwali na bakutwavwa. Tata ni tata na panafika pitala no mupampa mina kwete panine Daddy. Maybe tomorrow cannot be sunny for me, for you can be. Daddy said to me, remember that I was there for you. for you. I wanted you to win.
I wanted you to win.
Despite everything. Remember that I was there for you. I wanted you to win. Despite everything. Say, who's gonna tell me that I'm proud of you? Niva Batasha. I'm in no Baba Mishaba Chetivana. Okay, Nivani. Who's gonna tell me that I'm proud of you? Niva Batasha. I'm in no Baba Mishaba Chetivana. Okay, Nivani. Yeah.
So my mother told me that wako insho kushukwa mtashero wazi. It's kinda similar to this one. Yeah. Zedi Tamanga is here. Young Pharaohs. Now I shall. 44G music.
Yo, I mean, you guys gotta have to tell me what I missed there. I was trying to listen by all means and try not to interrupt, hoping that I'll get one thing, but I didn't. I know that he's talking about his parents, but are his parents late? Because that would be like really sad. Maybe if I knew the backstory, yes, I would have cried for real because, you know, I'm kind of sensitive like that. I like that people said I will cry. Like, I've never cried on here before, but yeah, anyway. Yeah, man. You know what? You know what's funny about languages, right? Like, I understand a few words, obviously, Katundu, Pangono, Chichewa, right? Like, I can get few words here and there, but I can still feel the heaviness of the song and the messaging of it somehow. I don't know, maybe because I do understand those few words here and there, but I cannot make up the whole message of the song. So I'm relying on you guys to let me know at least so I can catch what the song is all about. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like I said earlier, if you're here for the first time, smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on the channel. Please watch out for that album reaction of Chile 1. I'm definitely gonna have to do it in one of the things. If I cannot do it at home right here, I might do it in my car. So we'll see. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you guys on the other side.